Hi, I'm Sheena Joy. Welcome to my spooky macrame series. If that's your jam, subscribe so you won't miss a thing. For this project, you'll need a pumpkin, carving tools, spoon, tapestry needle, butcher's twine, and flameless candle. This DIY needs very little instructions, so just watch and enjoy. Although there was pretty much no macrame involved in this project, I really thought that it was a cool way to jazz up a pumpkin. What do you think? Make sure you're subscribed because I have something really fun planned for tomorrow. Also, here are 2 more videos I think you'll enjoy. I'll see you over there.